y'all could see me. Welcome to the vlog. I just left the post office and surprisingly I made it out under 10 minutes. I have been, well, you guys probably should know by now, but I am in the process of losing weight, or I've lost a lot of weight. So I've been, selling a lot of my stuff on Poshmark. And I should probably link it down below because I got some good stuff on there for some real good prices. And I keep, uploading more and more as I come across it because I've been doing a big purge of just old things I don't wear anymore. Stuff that I feel like I could profit from, that's what I do. And then things that I, know like it's not, to me, it's not worth it. I just kind of give them away or try to think of who I know that could wear that stuff. But I was just really pumped that I was getting out the post office that quick. I'm like, I gotta tell my subbies because I'm ecstatic. And now I'm rushing, trying to get something to eat. I have to be at my second job in like less than an hour. So it feels like my days are just busy. It's always from one thing to the next. And I just get so caught up sometime in my like day-to-day activities that I really do just forget, like, to take a breather and just, y'all probably know. If you are an adult, you know what it's like. It's always something that you got to be remembering, that you got to think of. So I get it. You are not alone, my fellow leaders. So just thought I would check in and say hello. I honestly don't even know what vlog day I'm gonna end up putting this on, because even that's starting to get out of control with trying to keep up all these different days and stuff. I'm like, I don't know. So thanks you guys for watching them, little of you guys who are. Hopefully you guys like them. From the people, from the feedback I've been getting, just from people watching them, that tell me that they watch them via other ways besides the comment section, but it's cool. I still appreciate it. They say that they like seeing the vlogs and they look forward to them. And okay, it's a glare. I'm not about to put y'all through that. The sun is going down. We actually had sun today, but no, I'm not about to keep just sitting here talking to y'all with this glare in the back. So I will catch y'all later. All right, bye guys. Whoo, child. Okay, welcome to the long-awaited grocery haul. So as you can see here, these are all of the things that I have gotten. So I'm going to be going through one by one and just talking about them. Now, the stores that I went to were the Dollar Tree. I drew a blank for a minute, y'all. Dollar Tree. I went to Aldi, and I also went to the Giant Eagle, which is just a local grocery store that we have here in Cleveland. And who would have ever thought that it takes this long to get these kind of videos set up? I don't see how people do this all the time. But I definitely want to go and come on here and just kind of give you guys an overview of what I normally shop for on Keto, so you guys can get some ideas. And yes, as you guys can see, there is one item there that's not technically keto approved, but it's also not the worst item ever. And like I said in my past videos, sometimes I do dibble and dabble in certain things, but I am going to just go ahead one by one and just show y'all what I got. So first item that I purchased from the Dollar Tree is these blueberries. And I would never have thought that the Dollar Tree sells just frozen blueberries like this. So I want to actually put these in a smoothie with some kale. And then the next thing that I purchased are these peppers. Like, this whole big old pack is $1. It's actually a really big pack here of frozen peppers. Now, I know some people say that getting your vegetables frozen isn't as good for you as regular, but hey, for $1, I'll take it. And then I know the keto police are gonna come after me on these, but I do sometimes put these little packets in my water. As you can see, the nutrition label says that these are 1 gram of carb. So, I mean, it's not bad for me. It doesn't do anything to me and my metabolic. Sorry about that, y'all, but yes, I love using these. And then the next thing, as you can see, I kind of delved into these, but these are some sugar-free Werther's candies for like these were $1 at the Dollar Tree. And they had the little caramel apple in there. I was a little hungry when I went to the store, so that's why some of these are, you know, random snacks that I got. But these, as you could see, so there's 14 grams of carbs in here, but 12 sugar alcohol. So if you guys are on keto or are familiar with keto, you know that you can subtract the sugar alcohols from the actual total carbohydrate amount. So that means it's 2 grams of carbs for 5 pieces. Of course, I only had one because I just was so thirsty to taste them. And then another item that people probably tend to sleep on is this Brim's popcorn. And I generally do tell people about these because this popcorn is only $1. Look how big this bag is for $1. And I've been on a popcorn kick lately just because I got tired of pork rinds and I needed an alternative for being on keto since I couldn't have Doritos like I used to. That was my thing. But for these, the carbs is 13 grams of carbs, and then you subtract the dietary fiber. So it's 11 grams of carbs, which is a lot, but look how much you get. That is for 3 cups. So, I mean, 3 cups of popcorn is a decent amount. That's like, I mean, that's enough to have like as a snack size. So if you are only doing 2 cups, I mean, basically that's like what, only 8 grams of carbs right there. So for me, like I said, I'm in a place where I can kind of, you know, stretch my diet just a little. So I do normally eat about 3 cups of these a day if I'm snacking. And then over on snacks, I did go ahead and get some handy dandy pork rinds. I actually prefer these pork rinds over the Aldi ones. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. They're $1. And these only have 1 gram of carb per serving size, which is about 6, which is not bad. I know the ones at Aldi have 0, so I don't know why these have 1, but 1 gram of carb, I'll take it. I'll eat these in between if I just feel a hankering for something while I am waiting for you know, or, you know, if I feel like I've exhausted my carbs for the day or something. And then I tried the white cheddar version of it, and as you can see, I was a little thirsty. I actually went, it's the same amount of carbs in these as the other ones, y'all, the 13 gram minus 2. But I want to see what the white cheddar tastes like because I had never had that version of the same popcorn. This is also from the Dollar Tree. So that there was $1 for that big old bag. It was okay. I would say that I think I like the cheddar one better, but the white cheddar is not a bad alternative if your Dollar Tree only has this one. I'm trying to go through this fast, y'all. Okay. And then the last snack item, I'm going to go ahead and get this out the way because I know y'all wondering, what is this? So this is the Boom Chicka Pop. Now, I watch Kiko Beauty, and then the Glam Twins also talk about this popcorn a lot. When I was on hardcore keto, I would never purchase it because it is a little higher in carbs than what I want. But on days when I feel like I want to maybe have a little extra carbs or something like that, because again, I'm human, I said, I'm going to try this because I just keep hearing good things about this popcorn. So as you can see, it's a little high. It's 18 grams of carbs per serving. And 1 serving for this is only 1 1/3 cup, which is still quite a bit of popcorn. I mean, if you have a measuring cup, you'll see what I mean as you start scooping this stuff. But if you subtract the dietary fiber, that's actually 17 grams of carbs in that. So like I said, on days when I just want to indulge a little more than normal, probably like on a weekend or something, I'm going to try this. And no, I'm not going to eat the whole bag at once, but I hear that you can, so I'm going to have to really be careful with this stuff because I ain't trying to be out here gaining weight. Okay, and then last snack item. Oh, Lord. I don't see how people do these videos all the time. This is a lot. I thought I could get through this quick, and I'm talking fast, too, y'all. So these are some honey roasted peanuts. These are dry roasted from Aldi. These have 6 grams of carbs. You subtract the dietary fiber, which is 2 grams. So that's only 4 grams of carbs in a serving of these. And a serving of this is 1/4 cup, which is quite a bit. I portion out my serving sizes to cut on my carbs, but I also sometimes do want something a little sweeter. I don't always just want, you know, salted things. So that's why I went ahead and got some of these. But 4 grams of carbs for a 1/4 cup is more than enough for a day. So we're going to get into food. Food. Okay, so for food, I have bacon. There's not much to say on this. This is a lower sodium bacon. A lot of bacon sometimes will have sugar. I try to steer away from the ones that say they have sugar in the ingredients. This one just has the water, salt, sodium phosphate. Okay, so the sodium nitrate is not good. I don't eat this all the time, but it does not have any sugar in it, and it's lower sodium. I got this from Aldi. This is just some regular kibasi, pork kibasi. I got that from Aldi as well. I picked up some butter from Aldi because I am going to be making a dish with cabbage that I might actually end up recording. I think I'm going to cook tomorrow. And I'll let you guys see that. But it's going to be like a cabbage with a kibasi and bacon in it, like a southern cabbage dish. And then I'm going to make some cornbread, keto cornbread that is, that I made on Thanksgiving to go in my dressing, which I actually really had liked it by itself. So that's going to be really good all together. I can't wait to do that. And then I have burgers here. These are from the store Giant Eagle that we have here in my neighborhood. Oh, and this popcorn was also from my Giant Eagle. So I don't know where you guys are living that or watching these videos, but that's where that's from. This is just some organic grass-fed burgers. I'm going to make this like a Salisbury steak style. I have some leftover gravy that I want to use from the holidays. And then I want to maybe like make some frozen cauliflower. I have some frozen cauliflower mash. I'm gonna put some gravy over that with some broccoli that I already have purchased, so I didn't get any on this shopping trip. Then I just got some pepperoni from Aldi. These are like $2 a pack. These are perfect to have on keto, and mainly it is because, as you can see, there are 0 grams of carbs in pepperoni, so you can eat as much of this as you want on the keto diet. And then, of course, if you're on keto, eggs are going to be like your best friend because eggs are just, yeah, they are your saving grace because they could be used in many different ways. A lot of your ingredients on keto are going to include eggs. I like brown eggs. I got these from Giant Eagle. They were on sale for only like $3.29. So if you're watching this video, this is, you know, live today when it airs, then yeah. And then this is the cabbage. You know, just basic old cabbage, y'all. So, yeah, this was from Aldi's. All right, so I got through all of that. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure if you're not subscribed to subscribe. This is Vlogmas Day 8. And stay tuned for the next videos. Make sure you guys are watching my other vlogs that I've been posting. And if you're not following me on social media, I have not been saying this, but make sure you guys follow me as well on Instagram. I'm the_queen_D. And then Facebook, I'm at Darice18. No, Darice Yvette, excuse me. So yeah, I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video, and then everything will be linked down below as far as my socials and stuff like that. All right, bye guys.